Menteri Katanat Revenue but Disaster Management Ubakar Syllad hakan riu terjemang ula pentep bagidan haduk saus pak propulai ïing kibala julor haki arp kendai shnong haki nyau teliki district haka jingwan lynshop ke bor mariang kani ka jingwan lynshop ke bor mariang kala jia haka santarik jemang bat kala kata haduk kendai spak sap kendai ki nong shnong na kini kat sau shnong kide ha eastern west Khasi Hills Henry shnong ha south west Khasi Hills Lai shnong ha West Giant Hills, Artaligi shnong ha East Giant Hills, Lai shnong East Khasi Hills, Kawega shnong ha West Khasi Hills. Kat ba ars pa prapu arki yeng kila julor naka jingling shop upria ha bak mara bat shipo ha chokpot ha South Garo Hills. Menteri ula pentep baki dan Artaligi school ki bala julor ha nong priang bat ha sok besen ha Eastern West Khasi Hills district bat ka yeng mani ha wapung ha East Giant Hills. Ubak kermen ulaya tu bakumba saus pa ngut ki brio kila syak ta ha ke shipo teliki shnong ha ki ar teliki blok kata ha mairang bat mau tat rashan.
Was the house affected and then some of the the field affected regarding this some crops. So I have a report with me which yesterday the 5th May there are 7 districts has been affected, which is the East Khasi Hills, West Khasi Hills, Eastern West Khasi Hills, West Giant Hills, East Giant Hills, South Garo Hills, and Southwest Khasi Hills. These are the 7 districts which was affected yesterday, and some village has been affected under this district. In East Khasi Hills, we have Mau Rengkneng, Mau Kenreu, and Mau Plang, and we have also Nong and Mau Shinrut in East West Khasi Hills, and Mairang in Eastern West Khasi Hills, Thatlaskane and Amlarem in West Giant Hills, Wapung and Saipung in East Giant Hills, and we even have Dinchenrom village in East Giant Hills. We have Bakmara, Chokpot are affected in South Garo Hills, Maukarwat in Southwest Khasi Hills. So all these number of villages affected, we have 483 houses which are affected due to hailstorms and then cyclonic storm and then strong wind, heavy rainfall has occurred yesterday. So and as per the number population affected, we have roughly 949 numbers which are some under assessment, and the number which we already got is 949. But sad to see there are some infrastructure also has been damaged, like schools, church, and even the other infrastructure. But even I've heard, we just got a report just now regarding with the today's incident, today the 6th. Nongstoin, under Nongstoin Sinadi block, which fall under West Khasi Hills, Mau Kawa village, Mau Langniang village, Sedli village, Pendingre village, Mau Ngap village, Urkali village, Umsao village, Mau Langniang village, and Mau Khan village. These are the village affected today under Nongstoin Sinadi block, and even Dencherom also got affected. So regarding this, there are few steps has been taken by our deputy commissioner of those concerned district. So they have tried the best to give some support and then some relief, instant relief. The number of house affected.
Okay.
Yeah, and the number of house affected today, we have not received any numbers, but we just got the village affected. But yesterday it was 483 houses. One is that, as I used to mention from time to time, no doubt the message and the alert and the warning has been sent from our department the moment we receive this the warning from the IMD, which is India Meteorological Department. So as soon as we get it, we forwarded it through SDMA, SE, OC. We issue this warning and then send it to all our district, so that the needed so that the concerned deputy commissioner will take the necessary step to inform the public. And we have sent thousands and thousands of messages and then the alert message, so that people will be alert. So for this, number one is that what I feel the most important is that we should take care of ourselves, especially whenever we receive this kind of message. We should be alert. Otherwise, it's very difficult, to take care and then to guide individually. But it's just that if they really work together with us, and I believe that we can, save loss of life. Some are partially damaged, but I really don't have the exact figure with me, how many numbers of house is fully damaged. So that's why the deputy commissioner give the immediate relief so that to take care and then give instant support to them.